I'm Mike Hackard with Hackard Law. In more than 4 decades of trust and estate litigation, I've learned that some of the most serious estate disputes don't start in the courtroom. They start much earlier with quiet assumptions, misunderstandings, and myths about how the law works. These myths can shape decisions, delay essential planning, or convince families that everything will somehow work itself out. Estate law doesn't operate on assumptions. It operates on facts, documents, and clear intent. And when planning is guided by myths instead of accurate information, families can face confusion, conflict, and legal processes they never expected. Today, I want to address some of the most common myths I've encountered in my practice. Myths that affect real families, real estates, and real legacies. Myth 1, everything will simply go to my spouse or children. It's easy to believe that the law will automatically follow your wishes. But in intestacy laws, the rules that apply when someone dies without a will don't account for blended families, unique family dynamics, or individual intentions. Without an estate plan, your property may go through probate, guardians may be appointed for minor children, and assets may be distributed in ways you never intended. A proper plan ensures that your voice, not the state's, directs what happens to what you've built. Myth 2, estate planning is only for the wealthy. Estate planning is for anyone who wants clarity and protection. Even modest estates benefit from avoiding probate, designating decision makers during incapacity, and preventing unnecessary conflict. Estate planning isn't about the size of your estate. It's about the people who depend on you and the responsibilities you want to honor. Myth 3, a will is all you need. A will is important, but it doesn't prevent probate. It also doesn't help during incapacity, and it doesn't control every type of asset. A complete estate plan often includes a living trust, durable powers of attorney, healthcare directives, and properly aligned beneficiary designations. These tools work together to provide continuity, privacy, and protection throughout your lifetime. Myth 4, a trust requires no further action. I've seen many trusts drafted with care, but left unfunded, meaning assets were never titled into them. An unfunded trust can't perform its purpose. Real property, bank accounts, business interests, and financial accounts must be aligned with the trust. Without this step, your plan may fall back into probate, despite your best intentions. Myth 5, telling my family what I want is enough. Conversations matter, but they don't replace legally enforceable documents. Memories differ, interpretations vary, and verbal instructions rarely satisfy legal standards. A written compliant estate plan removes doubt and ensures your intentions are followed with clarity. Myth 6, lawyers focus on documents, not on people. A skilled estate planning lawyer doesn't sell paperwork. They help create a strategy, one that reflects your values, anticipates legal challenges, and adapts to life's changes. Their role is part legal guidance, part risk management, and part stewardship. It's about understanding your life, not just drafting forms. Myth 7, estate planning is a one-time event. Life changes, and so should your plan. Marriage, divorce, births, deaths, new property, or changes in tax law can all alter the structure of your estate. An outdated plan can be as troublesome as having no plan at all. Reviewing and updating your documents ensures they stay aligned with your circumstances. Myth 8, probate isn't a concern. Probate can be lengthy, costly, and completely public. It may require court approval for even routine actions. For many families, it adds stress at a time when clarity is needed most. A well-designed trust can minimize or eliminate probate and preserve privacy. Myth 9, my family will work it out. Families often want to believe this, but grief, uncertainty, and differing expectations can strain even the closest relationships. Clear planning with informed guidance helps prevent misunderstandings and protects family harmony. In my practice, I've seen families struggle because a parent relied on assumptions instead of planning. And I've seen families experience peace because the planning was done thoughtfully, accurately, and with professional guidance. Estate planning is not about avoiding difficulty. It is about providing clarity. It is about protecting loved ones from uncertainty. It is about ensuring that your wishes are honored with precision and dignity. A skilled estate planning lawyer helps you separate fact from fiction, dispel confusion, and build a plan that stands the test of time. The most lasting legacy you can leave isn't only financial, it's clarity, care, and peace. I'm Mike Hackard. Thanks for watching.